Model, 55-plate Volkswagen Shuttle T30 130 PS TDI PD S short wheelbase, 2.5 ideal camper. Body, grey, minibus. Mileage, 245068. MOT, the 26th of October 2024. Engine, 2460 cc 2.5 TDI 130. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. EGR pipe is leaking. Battery light is on dash, alternator may need replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission are perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Grin, condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear seating area is very clean. Very well maintained vehicle. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys, air con, parking sensors. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.